Good morning, children. We are in grade 5. I am Shobha, your new mathematics teacher for online classes. Children, can you read this number? If I write like this, you are confused to read the name in which system you have to follow, right? So, to read the number name, you should insert commas. To insert commas, you should know the place values. Place value chart of two way you can read this number in Indian system and international system. You should know the place values first. In number system, there are two ways, Indian number system and international number system. Two way you can read the number. Suppose the girl says 50 lakhs and the boy says 5 millions, both are correct. So you should learn Indian place value chart first. You have learned this place value chart till lakhs place in your 4th standard. Let us recap whatever we have learned. Top row represents periods. See, in periods, ones place, ones period it is. There are 3 places under ones period. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Next, we will get thousands period. 1000 place and 10,000 place. There are 2 places. In lakhs period, there are 2 places, lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. In crores period, crores place and 10 crores place. In crores period, crores place and 10 crores place. You have to read the number together in ones period. In the same period, you have to read the number together. See, there are 2 places here in crores period and 5 crores are there. Read the number together. It is 5 crores. Then join the period name to read the number name. Otherwise, insert commas. Lakhs period. Read there is 21. You have to read. It is not 21. 21 you have to read. You have to read together the number in period's name. Then join period's name. 21 lakhs it is. 21, right? Then instead of period here, while writing the number, you have to insert commas. Next, thousands period. For thousands period, in thousands period, there are 5 thousands. Write 5,000. Nothing is mentioned. It is 0 in 10,000's place. So it is 05. Next, 05,000 it is. 1000 for instead of 1000 period, here you are in number. You are inserting comma. While writing the number name, you have to write the period name. Next, ones period. We will not write ones. We will not write as ones name like thousands. We will not write ones. We will write only 747 while writing the number name. It is read 5 crore 21 lakh 5,747. We will go to the next slide. We will take some sums from your exercise. From the first lesson, first exercise. Write the following numbers in a place value chart. Read them and write their number names. There are 9 digits in this number. If they have not given the commas, first you have to insert the commas. How to insert the commas? After each period, you have to insert the commas. We are learning Indian place value. We are learning Indian system now. After ones period, insert the commas. After 3 digits from the right side. Now, next 2 digits are thousands period. Insert the commas. These 2 digits are for lakhs period. Insert the comma. These 2 digits are for crores period. Draw the table and write the places. You need not write period's name every time. It's enough if you write the places. Then write the number which corresponding to the places. Read the number together it is 27 in crores period. Read 27. You should read as 27. Join your period's name, crore. Now here 46. 46, read together 46. Then join your period name. Say 46 lakh. 50,000. 50,000 is 50 here. 50,000. 132. Next question, next sum is 85 crore. Read this number. They have not inserted the commas. I think I have inserted the commas here. 85, it is 8. Write the place value chart first. Then write the places first from the right side. Then write the numbers corresponding to the places first. Then name the number. It is 85 crore 4 lakh 2,100. 85, it is 85, 2 digits. Leftmost 2 digits, crores place in 9 digit number. Crore 4 lakh. Nothing is mentioned, nothing is in 10 lakhs place. It is silent while writing the name 4 lakh. Now 10,000 place is 0. So 2,000 here, 2,100. You have to write the numbers for the following number names. Here the numbers are written in word form. 64 crore 99,903. So it is a large number. Better to write the place value on the right side in your rough area. Better to draw the place value table. Then write the place values first. Then whatever mentioned here, 64 crore, fill crores period 64. Right. Then 99,000, it is silent here for lakhs period. So write, nothing is mentioned here in this name. So write 00 for lakhs period. Next 99,000. 99,000 means 9 is in 10,000's place. Fill the places. 99,903. Hundreds place it is 9. Then tens place is silent there. Nothing is mentioned. Write 0. So write 3 is in ones place. So write 3. Did you get the number easily? Otherwise there is a little bit chance of going wrong. So better to follow this place value table to write the number for the given number names. We will go to the next sum. 79 crore 80,012. Once again draw the place value table. 10 crores and 10 crores place. It is how to fill the places in the place value table. Go to the rightmost column, write ones place. Next is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores place, 10 crores place. So here 79 crore. First for the given number you insert commas according to the Indian system. Depending upon the question they have asked. After hundreds place, insert comma. Thousand place, 10,000 for 1,000 period, over. Next insert comma. For lakhs period, insert comma. Then you will get to know 79 crore it is 80,000. See, nothing is mentioned. 89 crores period they have mentioned the how many numbers are there. 79 crores are there. For lakhs period, they didn't mention anything. So 00, write 00. Then 80,000. So fill the 10,000's place and 1,000's place as 80. Next, hundreds place, nothing is mentioned here. Write 0 in hundreds place. Next, 12. Tens place 1 and units place 2. 99 crore, next number is, it's very easy question. 99 crore 99 lakh 99,009. Only hundreds place is missing. 100 and tens place are missing here. When all the periods are there, you may feel it easy to write the number. You may not go wrong. But when some periods are missing, you will get little bit confused. So to avoid the confusion, every time it is better to draw the place value table and fill the places according to the given specification. So you will get the number very easily. Let us take this question from your textbook. You have to fill in the missing numbers to continue the pattern. You have to get 3 more numbers by observing the pattern here from these 2 numbers. How these numbers are changed. So here the hundreds place there is 7 here. So read the number first. 70,21,761. It is next number is 70,21,861. Hundreds place, only hundreds place digits are changed. How much it is changed? By 1 it is increased. Here the second number hundreds place is increased by 1, right? Here it is 7, here it is 8. So what you should do, how you should get the next number? By hundreds place you have to increase 1. From 8 you have to make it 9, right? So rest of the digits are same. Did you get the next number? Very easily. So which number? How did you get the pattern? By observing these 2 numbers. For the next number, this next answer, how you should get? You should add 1 to the hundreds place of previous number. Here there is 9 at hundreds place. So you have to add 1. 9 plus 1. It will 10. You will get 10. 1 carry over. It goes to the next. You have to add to the next digit. 70 lakhs 22,061 it is. Next number. How you will get the next number? Add 1 to the hundreds place. Once again 70 lakhs 22,161 it is. Fifth question. 48 crores 62 lakhs 36,506. 58 crores, next number is 58 crores 62 lakhs 36,507. How the numbers are, observe first how the numbers are changed. Here it is 10 crores place 4 here. Here 10 crores place it is 5. It is increased by 1, right? Here unit place it is 6. Here in this number units place also it is increased by 1. 2 digits are changed. Here 2 digits will change. So in the new number also you have to change these 2 digits. Rest of the digits are same. So you have to change unit digit and you have to change 10 crores digit. How much you have to change? 1 more, you have to add 1 to units place and 10 crores place. So how will you get the number? It is here 7 has become 8 here. Here it is 10 crores has become in 5. Previous number it was 5. It has increased by 1. It has become 6. The new number is 68 crore 62 lakhs 36,508. Now next number, how will you get? 10 crores digits should increase by 1. 6 has become 7 here. Next go to the unit place. It has become 9 now. The new number is 78 crore 62 lakhs 36,509. Just get the next number. The 10 crores digits should be increased by 1. 7 has become 8 here. So next goes to the unit digits. Here there is 9 here. You have to add 1 to 9. 9 plus 1 it will become 10. So the new number is 88 crores 62 lakhs 36,510. You have learned place values now. So you know the expanded form of a number. How to write the expanded form for 3-digit number and 4-digit number you know to write. Same rules applies for this 9-digit numbers also. Place value, how it is connected? You can express the number, you can write the number using digits. Using words also, English alphabets also, you can write the number 7165. And using expanded form of also, same number can be expressed. It is 7000 here because 7 is in thousands place, its value is 7000 plus 100. 1 is in hundreds place, its value is 100. 6 is in tens place, its value is 60. 5 is in unit place, so its value is 5. Add all these numbers, you will get 7165. Using material also, you can represent the numbers. This one block represents 100. How many blocks are here? 7. This one block represents 1000. How many blocks are here? 7 blocks are here. Totally it has become 7000. And here it is 100 block. There is 100 here, right? So how many tens are here? 6 tens are here. These are too small, it is not that much clear, but you have some similar figures, it is there in your textbook. 6 tens are here. And how many fives? 5 many units are here? 5 units are here. Let us see one more example. It is 134. 100, 1 is in hundreds place. Take one graph sheet, just color for 100 boxes. Next, 100. Orange color, 3 is in tens place. So, take graph sheet piece, 3 tens and color like this and stick to your notebook. It represents 30. And there are 4 units here. Color only 4 squares. It represents 4 units. Here you have to color 30 squares. Here you have to color 100 squares. Try the expanded form. It is very easy. All this from 3rd standard onwards, you are learning this concept and you know to write. There are 3 ways to write the expanded form. Now we are following this easy way, this 3rd way or easy way to write the expanded form. Only how to write the number, its place value you have to add. Now it is, read the number first. 89 crores 67 lakhs 53,214. It is 80 crore. 80 is in 10 crores place. 80 crore plus 9 is in 1 crores place. Crores place 9 crore it is. It is 60 lakhs. 6 is in 10 lakhs place. 7 is in lakhs place. 5 is in 10,000s place. 3 is in thousands place. 2 is in hundreds place. 1 is in tens place and 4 is in units place. Next, straight away I have written this answer. It's very easily you can follow this and you can take down also. Write the following. Next, after writing the expanded form, you should be, when the number is given in expanded form, you should be able to write in standard form also. That means here 50 crore they have given. So 10 crores place, you should write 5. Crores place, nothing is mentioned. So write 0 at crores place. Next, crores period over. Insert comma instead of word. Now, how much is this? 50 lakhs. 10 lakhs place is 5. 10 lakhs place is 5. Lakhs place is 0. Nothing is mentioned. Next number is 50,000. 50,000 is 10,000 spirit. Write 5 in 10,000 spirit. 1000 spirit is 0. Nothing is mentioned. So next 500. 100's place is 5. 10's place is 0 once again. Nothing is mentioned in the expanded form. Write 5 in unit place. 50 crore, 50 lakhs, 50,000. 505. Here the expanded form is given as 10 crore. 10 crore plus lakhs, 10 crore. Lakhs period is silent. 1000s period is silent. Next only 100 they have given. Plus 9. So how to write? Write, start from 10 crore period. Write 10. Insert comma. For lakhs period 0. Write 0 0. Next 1000s period. Once again 0 0. Next 100. Write 1 in hundreds place. Tens place is 0 once again. Nothing is mentioned here. So write 9 in units place. Did you get the number very easily? It is 10 crore 109. You have learned place value of the number and expanded form. When you know the place value, it's very easy to compare the numbers, right? Are you tired of sums? So we will look into this picture. Michael believes that the largest number in the box below is 6818. Is he correct? Just go through the sum, children. Prove your answer. Is it correct? 6880. 18 is largest number. It is the greater number. So we will see. 600. How to compare the numbers? When they are small numbers, it's very easy to compare. Here, write the place values first. We will observe numbers 600, 6818. 6000s are there in thousands place, hundreds place 800, tens place 10, ones are 8. Here 6801. 6000 in thousands place. 800, it is same. Both are same, right? This for the third number also. Now, tens place is 0. Ones place is 1. Next, 6881. 6000. Here it is 800. These thousands place and hundreds place are same for both three of the numbers. Now, tens place, here it is 10. 0, 80. Which is greater? 80 is greater among 3. You have to compare first. 80 is greater. So which is the answer? Our answer 6881. Okay, this is 4-digit number. So you can write the place value and you can write the place value chart. You can compare the numbers. See, when the numbers are given, it is 6880, 7881, 9000. It's very easy to compare. But when the same digits are repeated, you will be little bit get confused to compare the numbers. And for large numbers, when the 9 digits are 9-digit number, it is not that much comfortable to write the place value chart to compare the numbers every time. So we should know the rules to compare the numbers. These are the rules to compare the numbers. Method to compare large numbers. The number with the greater number of digits is greater. When you have given 3-digit number and 4-digit number, obviously you need not read the number. Always go 4-digit number is greater than the 3-digit number, right? So if the number of digits are same, that means if it is 6-digit number, or okay, let it be only one number, 6-digit number, then you have to read the number. How to read the number, how to compare the number. Compare the leftmost digits first. If these are same, you have to compare the leftmost digit. If they are same, then you have to go for the next digit. Next digit on the right. Continue until you find 2 digits that are different. The number with the greater digit is greater. Let us understand the rule with the examples. So fill in the blank with lesser than. You know this symbol very well. So I no need to explain these symbols much, right? So the number is given here. Here read the number first. How many digits are here? 3 to 5, 9-digit number. So this is also 9-digit number. So what is the next rule says? The number of digits are same in both the numbers. Start from the leftmost digit 1. Here also it is 1. Here also it is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till here, till tens place, both the digits, both the numbers, the digits are same. But when it comes to the last digit, that is ones place, the digits are different. It is 0 here, it is 9 here. So, which is greater? 9 is greater. So, this number is greater. Next, see when you see the numbers, here also there are so many 6 here. Here also there are so many 6 here. You will get confused, right? So, what you have to do? See, no need to read the number at all. Just compare how many digits are here. 3, it is also 9-digit number. It's also 9-digit number. So go for the next leftmost digit, 6 here. There also it is 6. 0, there also it is 0. But when it comes to the third digit, it is 6 here, it is 0 there. So which is greater? 6 is greater, right? So which number is greater? This number is greater. I hope you understood clearly place values and comparison of numbers. You should be able to solve these sums yourself. If you could not solve it, please watch the video from the beginning, understand the concept and solve the sums yourself. Don't take anybody's help to solve the sums. First question is very clear. In the second question, which has greater value? Simply one number they have given. But here, while giving the number, they have given the number in word form. So, first write the number in numerical form. Then it's easy to compare the numbers. The method rules are given. Just recap the rules once again and compare the numbers and understand the question clearly. Then compare the numbers and write the answers. Thank you, children.